The news in detail. The state government on Tuesday allayed fears on the funds required for the implementation of NEP 2020 by stating that the centre will be providing assistance under the Pm-Usha scheme for the successful implementation of the policy in the state. Minister in charge of Education Rakam A. Sangma said that not implementing NEP is out of question and already implemented from the Government of India side. There is a scheme called Pm-Usha regarding which proposal, screening, signing of MOU with Government of Meghalaya has already been completed, he added.
So Pm-Usha is a Government of India launching schemes. Earlier it was Usha, now it's Pm-Usha.
There should not be any discussion anymore on NEP because in the state it is already implemented at all levels. Of course, the introduction of 4-year degree process was the subject of the discussion for last few days and few weeks, but it is out of question now. All the college has already implemented in full swing, and the classes is going very smoothly.
The PHE